Hey, what's up guys? So in this video you're going to learn how to create a website from scratch, beginner's guide. So guys, if you're new here, my name is Yavar. I create a lot of WordPress tutorial, plugin reviews and how to build an online brand. So please consider subscribing and let's begin guys. So I just want to keep it really simple guys. I'm a very straightforward guy, a simple guy, and I have been creating website from the past 5 years. So I'm gonna make it really easy for you. To create a website, you need to pick a domain and a hosting and install WordPress, and that's it guys. Only 2 steps, and in fact with these 2 steps could be done within 5 seconds. So it sounds impossible, just I'm gonna show it to you. So currently we are going to install Bluehost, one of the best web hosting. I mean if I say it 1,000 times also it's less. One-click installation, easy to use, free domain for the first year, free SSL, 30-day money back guarantee. All you have to do is click on get started. Once you click on get started, just have to select the recommended, it's called unlimited websites, and why to choose this I'm gonna show you later, because it has unlimited websites. Select this, put in your domain, click next. So this is a demo domain just for you, just to showcase you. Now see, it's available, and then you just have to, if you're feeling lazy, you can sign in with Google. They will fill all the information. I would select 12 months, select this, and then put in your credit card information. And once this is done, they would send you an email on your account, your email ID, and then all you have to do is click on login. Once you log in, all you have to do right now is click on my sites. As you could see, we took the recommended one, so we can create a lot of websites. So now I'm gonna create a site. So put your site name over here, put your tagline, click on next. I'm gonna type test2, select your domain from here and click next. That's it guys. Within 3 seconds you would be able to install WordPress. So 1, 2 and 3. So I think, yeah, so as you could see, your WordPress is installed, so you have to click on login to WordPress. So now we have done this and this, so everything is done guys. Like you're 60% halfway through. So this is how you create a website. And I need to say that, I need to tell you congratulations, because you have created a website just with 3-4 button mouse clicks. So see, congratulations guys, this is your website. Now all you have to do is install a theme. Just go on appearance, themes. So I'm gonna install a theme called, so click on appearance, themes. I'm just gonna go a bit slow. Add new theme, click over here, click on Nico, and then I'm gonna select this one and install. Once this is installed, click on activate. Once this is activated, again click over here, click on your site, and see, this is how your site looks. It looks really good. You can put your site name over here and tagline, which I'm not going to show you right now because I have a free bonus for you. So guys, I've created a free crash course on how to create a WordPress website from scratch. The link is down below. Go and check it out. It's a free course, and I tell you step-by-step instructions, the best SEO plugin, how you could make money creating websites. Everything is in that free course, so the link is down below. Go and check it out, and I would see you in the next video.